how red my neck gets when I just put a necklace on. What's up with that? Hey guys, it's Cher. Today I'm back with another makeup video. I will be creating this eye look using the Sequoia Beauty Wildflower palette. I recently did another video on the Sequoia Beauty Calico palette, so if you would like to check that out, then I will put it somewhere up here and then also link it in the description box below. Sequoia Beauty is a small new makeup company. They make really good quality products for very affordable prices. I'm going to put their website in the description box if you would like to check out any of their products. If you do end up buying anything from their website, then I do have a discount code. It is Cher2C if you would like to save some money on your purchase. Today I'm testing out their Wildflower palette. It's a really pretty palette. It comes with a lot of really colorful shades. I used it to create this eye look, so if you'd like to see how I did that, then let's get into the video. So I think I want to keep it pretty simple at first for my eyes and just use some of these golden shades. And then I wanted to keep one of these bolder colors for my lash line. I'm going to start off by taking this golden dandelion shade and then mixing it with this light brown manzanita shade and applying that to my crease. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush and pick up a little bit of that manzanita shade, mix that with a little bit of this darker brown earth shade, and I'm just going to apply that to the very outer corners of my eyes. Okay, I might have accidentally drug that color a little bit too far out from my eyes, so I'm gonna have to clean that up later with some eyeliner, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So next I'm going to cover the inner half of my eyelid with this really pretty shimmer gold shade called Marigold, and hopefully that's gonna take this eye look back to the golden vibe that I had originally planned. And I'm going to blend those two shades together with a little bit of the Manzanita color because the line is just extremely harsh right there. Okay, I think that evened it out a little bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner and some mascara before I go back in on my lash line with this really pretty teal shade because I don't want to do that first and then mess it up with the eyeliner. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And for my next step, I'm going to take this teal shade called Bluebell, and I want to add just a little bit of that on my lower lash line because this look is just kind of plain to me and I wanted to add a little bit of color to it. The last thing I'm going to do to my eyes is add a little bit of this white shimmer shade called Jasmine to the inner corners of my eyes. Alright, so this is the final eye look. Also, I went ahead and added a little bit of lipstick, which I should have done in the beginning of this video because I'm sure that throughout the entire thing I've looked either like a dead person or like a ghost. Because if I don't add color to my lips, then I have no lips. Like, I barely have lips when I line them, so like, it's funny, but it's also true. So yeah, I should have done this in the beginning of the video because I'm seeing on the viewfinder how much more presentable this looks, but here we are. So anyway, this is the finished eye look. I actually kind of like how it came out. I think it's a little bit different than the usual shades I tend to go with. I really liked using this palette. I think that these shades are very pigmented. Some of them are extremely pigmented and you have to be like careful how much you pick up on your brush. I definitely think that it's a really good quality palette, and anything that you buy from this company, you're definitely going to be paying a lot less for really good quality makeup than you typically would if you were to buy from like bigger companies. So if you want a really good summery eyeshadow palette with some really pretty shades, then I would definitely recommend the Wildflower palette. There are definitely some really bright, colorful shades in here if you like to do really colorful eye looks. And I would definitely recommend buying from this brand if you are wanting to buy some new makeup and you just want to try something different out. I will link their website in the description box, and remember, if you do purchase anything from their website, then you can use my code for a discount, so don't forget about that if you do end up buying anything from Sequoia Beauty. I really hope you guys like this video. If you are not already subscribed to me on here, then I would really appreciate it if you did that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Look, Brown. You blend in so well to the background, you can't even see you. You're so sweet. My dog is here at my house, so I had to throw him in the video. Brown Baby says you should subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also you should follow me on Instagram. Should this be Mommy's thumbnail?